Oh, wow.
Okay, we got a carrot.
That looks like a carrot to me. So do we think they're ready?
They probably won't get much bigger than this
Because
we let them get so clustered.
I will tell you guys what is really good is to take a peeler, like a potato peeler, and to peel zucchini and carrots and cook them in some olive oil, maybe put some onion in it. That's really good. We can lay them over here in a minute. I'll get a picture of them. Wait, let me see if we get any more.
Now this one got disturbed.
And you can see they're kind of twisted.
Yeah,
I think
they
that
didn't
had to
have
do
room.
because of them being too close together. Because normally carrots are straighter. At least the pretty ones in the store are. Maybe real carrots aren't.
Oh, this one's
Oh
straight.
man. Oh man.
That one was by himself. He's pretty.
I love carrots. I love carrots.